What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on FTM because once again we are forming here pretty interesting trading setup, and also for the past couple of weeks this coin is pumping like crazy. So if you are interested about the exact levels where I am planning to buy this coin, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today's analysis on the 4-hour chart. The main support area that I'm actually watching here is this support between level 0.757 and 0.719. Because if there will be a liquidity grab under this support, then we will take all of the important liquidity under all of these important lows. So somewhere around here, there will be a lot of stop losses. So once there is a breakdown and then pullback up again and then support confirmation, this can be, in my opinion, actually perfect opportunity to open here a long trade. Stop loss in this case you can place just under the low that we will create during the fake out, and as your last take profit target you can, for example, aim for the current high, or you can aim for a higher levels. And I think that the main take profit targets can be under this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.681 and 1.610, which will give you risk reward ratio approximately 13, which is, in my opinion, like absolutely insane. Of course, in this case, it's really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you can, for example, take under like this lows, then under this low, then for example this high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 9, which is, in my opinion, still really good. Maybe you are thinking, why is not a good opportunity to open a long position once there is like a breakdown and liquidity grab under all of these important lows? Well, the idea is simple, because if there will be a big liquidity grab, there will be a lot of pressure for that short side. So we can simply see here, for example, something like this. So first of all, I want to see here some increased bullish volumes, and then let's say important support confirmation, because in my opinion then the trade will be much safer. So yeah, that's one of the long scenarios that I'm currently watching on this coin. Let's now switch to a lower time frame. If we take a look on the 1-hour chart, we have some order blocks between level 0.787 and 0.739. You can see that these order blocks are above the important lows that I'm watching on that 4-hour chart, but still it will be an important support. So there is actually some probability that let's say liquidity grab under these important lows will be enough. So this can be another decent opportunity to open here a long position. And with this bullish order block, you actually don't have to wait here for that fake out, because this will be like a strong support. So the exact trade can then look here, for example, like this. So stop loss you can put after a support confirmation under this bullish order block, and your last take profit targets you can place under this current high, which will give you let's say opportunity for a risk reward ratio 7.5, which is, in my opinion, again kinda really good. So yeah, that's another setup that you can take here, and again it's really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits take under this low, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio 7.5, the risk reward ratio can be, let's say, around 6, 5.8, something like that, which is still really good for a trade on the 1-hour time frame. So yeah, that's another potential setup that you can take here. Another important thing that we currently have on this chart is a resistance confirmation of this rising wedge, because you can see that we had here a breakdown, and then right now there is really high probability that this candle will close under, so there will be a resistance confirmation. On the other hand, I'm like not a fan of the rising wedge setup, because in my opinion it's not working that much. But on the smaller coins like this, actually the retail patterns can actually work. I want won't be trading this move because, as I said, I really don't like the setups. But if you want, you can, for example, trade here something like this. So stop loss you can place somewhere to this rising wedge, and the last take profit target you can place above the order blocks, which will give you risk reward ratio around 11.8. So even if I think that there is not that high probability of the success, the risk reward ratio here is amazing. So you can, for example, trade this move, and if we actually gonna test this support area, you can switch it to a long side, because if there will be, for example, a big dump on the whole market, then simply this coin is gonna go down also. So yeah, that's another potential scenario that you can watch here. But me personally, if I would like to open here that short trade, I would definitely wait for a resistance confirmation here, at least on that 4-hour chart. So yeah, just keep in mind that. And if we take a look on the weekly time frame, you can see that we are simply testing here our first important resistance after a breakout of this previous resistance that I informed you about in the last video. And you can see that once the coin is in the area where historically we don't have here any important liquidity, it can do pretty crazy moves. So right now we are, as I said, under really important resistance, so that this can be another reason why the short trade can be actually a good idea. But if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, then the next stop can be, in my opinion, under this previous high. So let's say the level approximately 1.62. So yeah, if you are looking for some, let's say, longer term trade, because yeah, this will be a trade around like 47% of the net market move, then yeah, this can be after a support confirmation here, at least on the daily time frame, your take profit target for this potential trade that can actually give you really good risk reward ratio. So yeah, that's another setup that you can currently get on this coin. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching my video till the end. And if you, for example, liked my analysis and you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can join my Discord trading group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.